students, how are you today? So our lesson goals for today are 1. To understand the new vocabulary, 2. To read the song. So let's start together. We want to start with the lesson number 3, song. At first, we want to start with the meaning. So please look at picture number 1. When anyone asking you, what is this? The answer is o'clock. The answer is o'clock. Let's know the meaning of o'clock. You use o'clock after numbers from 1 to 12 to say what time it is. نستخدم كلمة o'clock من ضمن الأرقام من 1 to 12 لنحكي كم الساعة. For example, if you say that it is 2 o'clock, الساعة الثانية, you mean that it is 2 hours after midnight or 2 hours after noon. You make sure ممكن الساعة تكون 2 في منتصف الليل or 2 بعد الظهر. So o'clock mean في تمام الساعة. Whatever what is the number. It's 2 o'clock في تمام الساعة الثانية. It's 6 o'clock في تمام الساعة السادسة. It's 9 o'clock في تمام الساعة التاسعة. So o'clock mean في تمام الساعة. O'clock mean في تمام الساعة. Look at picture number 2. When anyone asking you what's the time, at first you look to the clock. بدك تطلع على الساعة. Here in Arabic الساعة 3:15. So 3. I said 3 at the first. So the short hand العقرب الصغير محطوط على 3 وال 3 here's from the hours. العقرب الصغير بكون على الساعة. So 3:15. In English mean quarter past. Quarter past. In English وربع mean quarter past. From 12 to 3 that's mean وربع. Let's know the meaning of a quarter past. Quarter past, the hour means 15 minutes after the stated hour. 15 دقيقة من عند 12 لل 3 that mean it is a quarter past وربع. Like this example, I will meet you at a quarter past 5. A quarter past 5. So this is quarter past وربع. Quarter past 5. So this is mean وربع 15 minutes after from 12 to 3. Look here at the picture. 3:15. We want to count the minutes from 12 to 3. 5, 10, 15. So from 12 to 3 we have 15 minutes. So that's mean وربع. وربع in English meaning quarter past. Quarter past. So look here at picture number 3. What's the time? هون الساعة مو quarter past مو ربع. الساعة العقرب الكبير long hand على 6 موجود والshort hand موجود على 5. So لما تكون العقرب الكبير long hand على 6 that's mean it's half past. It's mean half past. In Arabic الساعة 5:30. So half past mean ونص. Quarter past mean وربع. Quarter past mean وربع. Half past mean ونص. بتكون الساعة العقرب الكبير long hand على number 6. Look here to this example to the meaning of half past, an hour after a stated time. Half mean منتصف. So this is 6. This is a half of 12. هي نص 12. So half that's mean في منتصف. Quarter past that's mean وربع. Half past that's mean ونص. That's mean ونص. So look here, the meeting began at 2:30. الميتينج الاجتماع بيبدأ 2:30. Okay, when I hear 2:30 that's mean ونص. 2:30 that's mean 2 ونص. That's mean 2 ونص. Look at the last picture. Okay, we learn about quarter past that's mean وربع. Half past that's mean ونص. O'clock في تمام الساعة. Okay, what's the time here? In Arabic it is 10 إلا ربع. So إلا ربع in English mean quarter to. إلا ربع in English mean quarter to. وربع mean quarter past. إلا ربع quarter to. So quarter to 15 minutes before a stated hour. When I said about the quarter past وربع, that means 15 minutes after the stated hour. 15 دقيقة بعد الساعة 12. Here quarter to 15 minutes. 15 دقيقة قبل 12. قبل number 12. So this is quarter to, that means إلا ربع. Quarter to, that means إلا ربع. It is now a quarter to 4. Okay, when I hear quarter to, that means إلا ربع. 4, so ساعة 4 إلا ربع. لا إذا كانت الساعة 4 وربع, that means it is a quarter past 4. It is a quarter past 4. إذا كانت الساعة 4 ونص, that means it's a half past 4. إذا كانت الساعة في تمام الساعة الرابعة, it's 4 o'clock. Okay, now let's listen to the song. Please pay attention with the song.
Listen and sing. Here comes the train.
On platform A,
Here comes the train.
it's long and red.
Here comes the train.
What's the time? What's the time?
3 o'clock.
On platform B,
Here comes the train.
it's short and grey.
Here comes the train.
What's the time? What's the time? It's 3:15. On platform C,
Here comes the train.
it's very fast.
It doesn't stop.
What's the time? What's the time?
3:30.
On platform D,
Here comes the train.
it's very slow.
And it stops.
What's the time? What's the time? It's 4:45.
So after we listen to this song, let's start to read it along. Here's come the train. On platform A, here comes the train. It's long and red. Here comes the train. What's the time? What's the time? So here look at the clock on platform A. That's mean في تمام الساعة. So it's 3 o'clock. في تمام الساعة الثالثة. Let's move on platform B. Here comes the train. It's short and grey. Here comes the train. What's the time? What's the time? Look here at the clock. وربع. That's mean quarter past 3. So the time is quarter past 3. On platform C, here comes the train. It's very fast. It doesn't stop. What's the time? What's the time? Look at the clock. موجود على 6. That's mean في منتصفها. ونص. That's mean 3:30. On platform D, here comes the train. It's very slow and it stops. What's the time? What's the time? Here look at the clock. That's mean إلا ربع. In English mean quarter to 4. Quarter to 4. So let's make a small revision to the vocabulary. What's the meaning of word o'clock? O'clock, that mean you use o'clock after numbers from 1 to 12 to say what time it is. نستخدمها use it from the numbers from 1 to 12 لنحكي قد ايش الساعة. Whatever the numbers, that mean في تمام الساعة. O'clock, that mean في تمام الساعة. It's 2 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. So that mean في تمام الساعة. Okay, what's the meaning of a quarter past? Quarter past mean 15 minutes after the stated hour. 15 دقيقة بعد تمام الساعة. So وربع mean quarter past mean وربع 15 minutes after stated hour. So what's the meaning of half past? Half, that's mean منتصف. So 12 منتصفها 6. So half past, that mean ونص. Half an hour after a stated time. Half hour. نص ساعة. That mean نص ساعة. The last one, what's the meaning of a quarter to? quarter to mean إلا ربع. That's 15 minutes before the stated hour. 15 دقيقة قبل ما توصل number 12. So o'clock mean في تمام الساعة, like it's 2 o'clock في تمام الساعة الثانية. Quarter past 15 minutes after number 12. 15 دقيقة من بعد ال 12. Quarter past that's mean ربع. For example, it's quarter past 3. الساعة 3 وربع. Half past, half that's mean منتصف. So المنتصف بيكون على number 6. It's a half of 12. 6 هو منتصف ل number 12. So it's half past that's mean ونص. For example, it's half past 3. That's mean الساعة 3 ونص. Quarter to that's mean إلا ربع. For example, 15 minutes before 12. 15 دقيقة قبل ما ترجع number 12. For example, it's quarter to 4. That mean 4 إلا ربع. 4 إلا ربع. So let's answer some questions. Look here at this clock. That's mean in Arabic واحدة إلا ربع. When I said إلا ربع, that's mean quarter to. So it's quarter to 1. الساعة واحدة إلا ربع. Here is 15 minutes before 12. 15 دقيقة قبل ما توصل number 12. Here العقرب in the half في منتصف. That's mean it's half past 3. الساعة 3 ونص. It's half past 3. Here الساعة 7 وربع. وربع in English mean quarter past. So it's quarter past 7. Here الساعة في تمام الساعة 9. That mean it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock في تمام الساعة 9. So please make sure to study it, and if you need anything, please send to me to explain it. Thank you a lot. See you tomorrow.